My name's Mel, welcome to my world, and today I'm going to talk about red diesel. Now if you already know what red diesel is and you know where to get it from, maybe this video is not for you, but still watch it, you never know, you might learn something. Now why am I making a video about red diesel? The simple answer to that is because I fitted a nighttime heater with a separate tank, and I'm absolutely amazed at how many people have said to me, why would you bother fitting a separate tank? Why not just take the diesel straight out your van, out the tank that's in your van? Why mess about with a separate tank? And I answer that question by saying, oh, I'm going to use red diesel. And then quite a few times I've had people message me back saying, what's red diesel? So I'm, and I feel compelled to help those people, and I've said to them I'll do a video all about that. And this is the video for you people there that have asked me what is red diesel, and also there's a few myths concerning red diesel, so hopefully I'll try and clear those up as well. So what is red diesel, where does it come from, and why does it even exist? Now the reason we have red diesel is because of tax, good old tax. On road fuel, a regular diesel, there's a fuel duty of around 60p a litre, and on red diesel it's a lot less, it's around about 12p a litre. It's about 50p difference, give or take a few pence. Later on I'm going to go to the petrol station, I'm going to put 10 litres of diesel in my van and 10 litres of red diesel in my fuel tank for my heater, just to see exactly what the price difference is, just as a little experiment, but I'll do that later. Before I do that, I'm going to carry on explaining why we have red diesel. Now it was introduced in 1961, check me out, I've done some research. It's not like me, I normally mess about all the time, but this is serious. So in 1961 the government decided, different fuel duties already existed, but in 1961 they decided they were going to make the fuel that was no tax paid on it red, and the road fuel just leave it alone, so that they could differentiate between the two, because not DVLA, customs and excise, they can come along, they can dip your tank, check you're not using red diesel, and then they do have these mobile units set up now and again. I've seen them around where they pull random people over and check their fuel tank. So don't use this, don't use red diesel in your fuel tank, your regular fuel tank, because it's just not worth the risk. They will impound your car there and then, and you'll be doing is getting a bus home unless you can pay the fine or whatever it is they do. Oh, pardon me, but I know for a fact they do actually crush your car if you can't pay the fine. So yeah, don't use it in your normal tank. The people that can use it are people like farmers. They use it in their tractors. How else is it used? It's used in generators, air compressors, even lorries with the mobile refrigeration units. There's a separate little engine that runs those. They use red diesel in that, they're allowed to. And obviously heating as well, like me, I'm using it for heating. It's also used in heating for houses, only they refer to it as gas oil. Yeah, like in remote areas, the off-grid houses use gas oil to heat their houses and use it in their boilers. It's also used in boats and ships and private pleasure craft, inland and ocean going as well. So if you live on a narrow boat, you're allowed to use red diesel, but I think they refer to it as marine diesel. It's just the same stuff. You pay less tax. It's also, you're also allowed to use it on private land, like airports. They use it in those little machines, those big trucks they use to manoeuvre airplanes in and out of their docks. They use red diesel in there, and the baggage carts you see zipping around the airplanes, they use red diesel too. But in some circumstances they're allowed to use it out on the road, but we're not going to go into all that, it's far too complicated. Now it's available in different countries as well, like the Republic of Ireland. The red diesel is actually green. It's green diesel, after all, it's the Emerald Isle. Why wouldn't it be green? Yeah, it's available in Canada, America, the United States of America. They use different coloured diesels as well. And it's all to do with tax. So there you go, that's that sorted out. That's what red diesel is, it's tax. Well, where do you buy this mysterious concoctional diesel from? Well, you can buy it at just any regular petrol station. Well, not any, there's only a few selective ones. Not all petrol stations sell it, and you won't see it amongst the regular fuel pumps, because you're not allowed to use it as road fuel. Normally the red diesel pump will be set to one side at the back of the station somewhere, and it'll normally have a sign on it, red diesel or gas oil, not for road use. So that's, if ever you've spotted one of those pumps and you think, what's that then? That's exactly what it is. It's red diesel. And it will have on there, not for road use. They'll either be referred to as diesel, red diesel, or gas oil. So right, so I'm going to go off and put 10 litres in my van, and you know, I get something to eat as well, 'cause I'm a bit hungry. The garage I'm going to go to has got Subways, so I'm going to grab some lunch while I'm there. Yeah, 10 litres in my van, 10 litres in my fuel tank that's under my bed, and in that way we can see the difference in price. Back in a mo. So here I am at the petrol station. As you can see, all the pumps are there. Now the gas oil is just behind that car, right up against the back of there, which I'll show you when I get in there in a minute. So there we go, 10 litres, exactly £12.99 for 10 litres of diesel. And that's gone in my fuel tank. Now the red diesel pump is right over there, so I've got to try and negotiate my way around those two cars and then I can put 10 litres of red diesel in my heater tank. So there's my red diesel tank, and this is how much it cost, £7.49 for 10 litres. So there you go, massive savings. Well, there you go, I would call that quite a successful experiment. So for 10 litres of road fuel is £12.99, red diesel £7.49. That's a saving of £5.50 every 10 litres of fuel. Now that is why I use a separate tank for my nighttime heater, and I use red diesel as opposed to putting a fuel line straight into my fuel tank and using road diesel. Every 10 litres I save £5.50. That can't be bad. Only another, I don't know, 30 litres or so to go, and the tank will pay for itself. Yeah, there you go, all worthwhile in the end. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you found this video useful, then please do leave a comment below and let me know. Your feedback is really appreciated, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, feel free to leave a comment below, feel free to chat among yourselves. I'll do try and answer as many comments as I can, or as many questions as I can, but sometimes for some reason they don't show up on my phone. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Ta-ra for now. Hopefully this helps somebody.